Welcome everyone, here's how you hotspot on your iPhone. So the first step is open up the settings app and you should see here personal hotspot. If you don't see this here, tap into mobile data, then you should see the personal hotspot option. If you still don't see this option, then that means your cell carrier provider has restricted that option in your iPhone. If that's the case, you will need to contact the cell carrier. They may charge you money to use hotspot, or they may give it free of charge, but call them up to find out. Then we're going to tap into personal hotspot. You see allow others to join. You just want to tap on this toggle to turn it on. It will say here, sometimes, not always, that Wi-Fi is off. So if you want to hotspot over Wi-Fi, meaning another iPhone, an Android, etc. can connect to your hotspot, you will need to tap on turn on Wi-Fi, like so. And you can see the hotspot is on. So how do we connect to the hotspot on another device? Make sure, it's very important, that you stay on this hotspot page in your iPhone. If you exit this page, then the hotspot will not be available. Then go into settings and go to the Wi-Fi settings of your device and you should see your hotspot. Sometimes the hotspot will not show up, so first of all just turn off allow others to join, then turn it back on. Then refresh the Wi-Fi connection on the device you're trying to connect to and the device should show up, boom, just like that. If you're still having issues, you see this one here, maximize compatibility. Tap on this toggle to turn it on and it will use a slightly slower protocol for hotspots. However, what it will do is it will allow you to still connect to the hotspot. So we'll tap on the hotspot on the device we're trying to connect to and you see the Wi-Fi password right here. If you tap into it, you can change the password like I have done. However, if you haven't changed the password, then you'll just need to enter in whatever you see. So for me, mine is 12345678 and once I tap on join, you see this little icon here showing that hotspot has been successfully started. So once the hotspot has been started, if you close out this page, just keep in mind that new people will not be able to connect to your hotspot after 15 minutes because the hotspot will not show up in the Wi-Fi network area. However, current users who are already on your hotspot will stay connected unless they turn off the Wi-Fi, and then from there you will need to go back to the personal hotspot page inside of settings. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.